What kind of tools are you using locally to recruit people?
Actually, when we go to hire somebody, we have to submit a job description to HR in Toronto.
Okay.
So actually, it's probably they're more involved in it, and then they post it so that people can see it. So then I go on to the website, and I can look at everybody that's applied, read the resumes. I can say whether no, this person won't work, or anyways. And so then what we do is we kind of put the resumes that we want. We usually bring them in on contract first for 3 months or 6 months. And if it doesn't work out, then, we let them go and find somebody else, right? But in most cases, people that we've hired have really worked out, and they matured. And like Arlene says, we cross-train everybody. So most people can do every job in the company. Yeah, so that's how we look at who we're going to hire.
Super, thanks, John. Arlene, I got a quick question for you. Same question as I started with John, what kind of tools are you using? So if you're looking for someone, what kind of tools are you using to kind of get the word out that there's an opportunity?
I've been very cautious about getting the word out. I don't usually do that because I don't have the time to look at 30 resumes. So I was always turning to Shelley.
Excellent. Excellent. That's why they're there. Yep.
That's why they're there. And because she had a full understanding of what our organization was like. So right away, she's doing the general filtering.